Hello guys, welcome to another video. So we are going to a restaurant from North to South Goa. It's called ToraShir and we're going there especially to have the pork items, that is the Pork Thali. And here with me, Dale is accompanying me.
Hey guys.
So the weather is really too much rainy outside, you all can have a look. There are a couple of places in Goa that are flooded, the inner roads, the highway at least is clear for now. So see you all there directly at the restaurant.
We reached ToraShir restaurant while the rains had stopped. Now in case you are wondering what ToraShir means, ToraShir is a Konkani term used in Goa which means raw mango water pickle. Mangoes are plenty during the summers here in Goa, hence the locals slice raw mangoes and bottle them up with salt, water and chilies and store it for a period of 7 days. The result is ToraShir. The restaurant has paintings of Mario Miranda and there are a number of feedbacks from guests who have visited this place. This is a multi-cuisine restaurant serving Indian, Chinese and Goan cuisines. I visited the bar for a drink and the liquor bottles were well arranged. I ordered myself Tora's Punch, and to me it's always appealing to watch a mixologist prepare a drink. This guy seemed like an enthusiast. I didn't actually need to go through the menu as I knew what I had come for, but was just curious to see the other items and their rates. I ordered the sausage stuffed naan, the salted pork and of course a pork thali. The taste of the stuffed sausage naan was okayish, not great, while the salted pork was really yummy. And here comes the great pork thali. Let's go through the items. This is the pork vindaloo. Then there is the pork amsol, followed by pork admas. Next is sausage chili fry, followed by cabbage bhaji. Then stuffed sausage naan, gulab jamun, pickle and rice. Now we served ourselves, and after tasting each of the items mentioned in this thali, I would say that the taste was so good. The flavor of the spices and method of preparation was purely in Goan style. And that's it for this video. I hope you all have enjoyed watching it. See you next time. Bye.